What's good, y'all? This video right here is long awaited, anticipated. Okay, maybe it's not, but I'm gonna tell you what it is. The 10K giveaway is dead. Dead, children. The 10K giveaway has taken entirely too long, and I'm tired of waiting on it. So, this is what we're gonna do. Comment on this video, and February, let me look at my calendar, February 29th. You know what? Back it up. February 25th, we're going to pick a winner. Turbo giveaway. Turbo giveaway, $200. February 25th. Comment on this video. Subscribe to the channel. February 25th. Tell a friend. The end. It's that simple. GT45 Turbo giveaway or $200. February 25th, 2024. And that's it. Subscribe to the channel, comment on this video, and it's up. I'm not holding on to this turbo no more, y'all. I'm done, son. All the way done. So, tell your people, 10K giveaway, dead. Dead that. February 25th. $200 or GT45 Turbo. Comment on this video. Winner will be announced February 25th, 2024. Gone.